The difference of two numbers is 34. The first number is twice the second number. A, write a system of linear equations that models the situation. B, solve the system using elimination. Part A is to write a system of equations that models the information. We're told that the difference between two numbers, so we would write that as x minus y, is, so that's equals 34. Then we're also told that one number is twice the other number. So we could write that as x equals 2y. Now, part B, we're asked to solve this system of equations using the elimination method. Well, with the elimination method, what we try to do is eliminate one of the variables by combining the two equations together. In order to do that, we need to have the coefficient of one of the variables be the opposite of each other. So in that case, what I would say is let's take this equation and multiply it by a -1, because that'll create a -1 of a coefficient for x. In other words, let's write that equation, -x, and then a -1 times a -y is +y, and a -1 times 34 is -34. Then what we want to do is take the second equation and put it in standard form. That means subtract 2y from both sides. In so doing, we'll have x minus 2y equals 0. So now we can add these two equations together, and you will see that the variable x will be eliminated. Y minus 2y is equal to -y. -34 plus 0 is -34. Now what we do is divide both sides by -1. That gives us a y value which is equal to 34. What we need to do now is to take this value of 34 and substitute it in for the y value here. So what we get as a result is x equals 2 times 34, and that means x is equal to 68. Now, with this system of equations, we have found that the ordered pair that solves them, or that is the solution to them, is 68, 34. However, this was an application problem. So what we're really interested in is writing this as one number is 34, the other number is 68.